This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
Today we have a very fast repair for a BOSCH dishwasher that won't drain. This is a smaller version of the BOSCH dishwasher, but when you set it for drain, the water just stays there and you can hear the motor moving, but it's just not moving the water. Very often this is a clogged air gap, which is this thing over by the kitchen sink. Just pull off the silver cap, and then you've got to press in on the side. There's a couple little plastic tabs, and you can pull the top off. And sometimes there'll be something caught in there. In this case, I noticed there was something caught in the center tube, the little tube in the middle. And on closer inspection, it looked like it was a small fish bone, and then also like a cherry stem, but around it was a bunch of other stuff that had been caught there and caused a clog. So it's a pretty common problem. This kind of stuff goes through the drain but is unable to make the U-turn that the water has to do. It gets stuck there and then it starts to block the water and the dishwasher won't drain, but it only takes you like maybe 1 or 2 minutes to free it up. And you put the cap back on, and we can see kind of what this is made out of. So it's a fish bone, and then probably the stem of a cherry, and then just a bunch of stuff caught around it. So now we got a bunch of water in there. We're going to test it out. It's all the way up to the top of the filter handle. We're going to press these 2 buttons at the same time, and that's going to make the machine reset and go to drain. And the display will just say 0 or 001. When you close the door, it'll start the drain. I noticed that it wasn't still draining as well as it should, so I pulled the cap off again, and I used a long screwdriver. You could also use like a straightened coat hanger to push down into that middle tube, the little skinny tube, and that'll help to break free any junk that might be caught there. Then when I set it to drain and I closed the door, I noticed I got a lot of water coming out. So this very often is what's clogging a dishwasher, and pretty easy to fix. So now we got a lot of water shooting out. If that doesn't fix it, you can also disconnect the hose from underneath the air gap, underneath the sink, and you might find that something is caught there where the hose comes up and meets the underside of the air gap. But that'll solve most dishwasher drain problems. So I hope that helps you with your BOSCH that isn't draining. And please subscribe when you get a chance. We'll send you some more repair videos. Thanks so much for watching.